During today's private members' business session in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Tmc Mla from Songsak, Dr. Mukul Sangma, presented a resolution on the operationalization of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 and the consent to the amendment to the Principal Act 2020.
At that point of time, people were saying, well, we can see, because the power of anticipation is very crucial for all of us when we embark upon any new thing. What will be the outcome? Here it was very clear. We have the entries in both the list 1 and list 2 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India, and of course on the list 3. Therefore, people are starting questioning us. Is there really honest intent to implement such laws or come up with such laws if need be, to really be able to fulfill our sacred responsibilities towards dealing with the contentious issues which are not required to be elaborately stated here, because there are something which can be discussed within the four walls in the discussion room, but then sometimes not possible in the August House. We have made it abundantly clear at that time when we were engaging with the stakeholders, because certain things which we share may not be sometimes palatable for many, and it might also create situation where people can put hurdles in advance, because in politics everything is possible. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I fervently appeal to the government of the day. Let us really do justice to our responsibilities. We must remember that we are lawmakers, we are not lawyers. The law that we enact here and the law that is enacted in the parliament are the pieces of law which are debated and based on which judicial interventions take place. So we are lawmakers. We cannot be misled by somebody who may be acting as our AG or whatever we call them. How is it that the law department and all the wherewithal which supports the law department could not advise the government that you are going outside the limit of the relevant entries of the list 2 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? There must have been malafide intention by the people who were supporting the government system. Sometimes you don't know, even the bureaucracy must have been instrumental in creating that derailment of the mandate of the Act. I have reasons to doubt. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, let us be honest to our people and the relevant responsibility that we have towards our people. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Therefore, may I ask the government to really agree to adopt this resolution and say that, yes, let us not play politics. Just say that, okay, the submissions are well taken. I think there is a necessity. There is a necessity. We take cognizance of the necessity, and therefore we will take measures. That's all. So with these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge the government, let us do justice. Let us do justice. And with these few words, I am sure I have reason to believe that the government, all of us, understand the magnitude of the importance of such legislation. We can always look for further amendment, further improvement, but let it happen subsequently as we proceed first. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, with this view.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.